One of the cool things about being a professional angler and also a rep in the marine industry is I get to play with a lot of really cool, neat new products. This year I was able to get with a company called Connect Ease. And what Connect Ease does is they build pre-wired 12, 24, and 36 volt systems for batteries. It becomes really important in boats like mine, this Warrior 203. The battery compartment is down inside the rod locker, and it's a little difficult to get in there and plug and play once you're done. Conventionally, you need to get in there, put your batteries in, and then run some jumper wires back and forth to make your 36 volt connection. It's not only time consuming, it's confusing to people. With this Connect Ease system, as I'm going to show you, I can build this all above deck. I can unplug it, put the batteries down inside the compartment, plug it all back in, and I'm ready to go. It also has, it's pre-wired, it's got all your onboard charger connector leads right off of it, so you can simply hook them in. And then it also has your trolling motor leads coming off both ends, so you really can't screw this up. So let's build this system and we'll show you what it's all about. So this is how simple I can put this 36 volt system together. It's all color coordinated, of course. Red is positive, black is negative, like always. So I simply make sure I start with the first one in series that has the trolling motor lead on it, which is the heaviest wire on there. And I simply go red, black, and then I will continue that on through the system. So now we've got the system built. As you can see, everything's put into place. I've got my trolling motor lead off the front for the hot. I've got the trolling motor lead off the back for negative. Each individual bank has its own set of wires for the onboard battery charger. Now I simply just need to finish tightening the nuts up. I'm going to simply unplug all the connections. I'm going to drop the batteries in down below, which will show you the space we're going to do that in. Once I'm in there, I can just simply plug it all back together. It's foolproof. You cannot cross the wires. The plugs only go together one way. So it is one of the slickest systems I've seen in a long time. Alright, so I'm just finishing up tightening up the nuts. You can see I've separated all the plugs here now. Now I'm going to be able to actually go ahead and hook in all my onboard charger leads right into the onboard charger leads built off the system. And we'll show you how we're going to put them down below. So you can see we're all wired up now. We're ready to go down into the battery compartment. This is where this Connect Ease system shines so well. I was able to build this all above deck. I've got all my onboard charger leads, everything all pre-wired. So now I'm going to slip these batteries down in this hole. I'm going to slide the front one back. I'm going to put them in there. And then I just simply got to plug everything together and we're good to go. So now you get a true picture on how tight some of these battery compartments can be. Now just imagine trying to be down there and wiring in jumper wires to make your 36 volt series. I showed you before how I built this up above. Now I've got the batteries down in place. All I need to do is drop down in here, plug the Connect Ease plugs together. Just simply this fast. And my entire system is now 36 volts. It's just that easy. All I got to do is finish hooking up my fuses back up for my onboard charger. So we showed you how simple and easy this system is to put in the boat and how clean it is when it's done. There's some accessories that Connect Ease has available as well that separates this from anything else and makes life pretty simple. One of the issues when you have a 36 volt system is testing individual batteries. You have to unhook jumpers and do different things like that. With the Connect Ease system, you can simply have a tester that's wired with one of the plugs. You unhook a plug, any one that you want, plug it in. Now I have the ability to read voltage load test batteries individually without unhooking any jumper wires that are in a conventional 36 volt system. Another neat feature to the system is I also have the ability to have standalone 12 volt power. In case I need to jump my start battery on a day when I've run it down from my live well pumping, whatever, I didn't catch it, my start battery goes dead, I can simply unplug, plug in. Again, this gives me standalone 12 volt power. I've got a simple set of jumper wires that has that plug on it, and now I'm good to go. I can run these back to the start battery. I'll be up and going in seconds. A couple other accessories that these guys offer is to come off like a start battery. You would wire this plug on there. Go ahead and plug this one in. Now I've got fused power leads and also negative leads to hook accessories in that you may want to add into your start battery. Check it out, connectthese.com. Really cool new products, 12, 24, 36 volt wiring systems. The webpage is listed below.